Did you know that Mexico is home to the world's smallest volcano? Welcome to another episode on Trip Capital, where we take you across borders from the comfort of your screen. Picture a land of vibrant colors, bursting with culture, history, and natural beauty. This is Mexico, a country that sits at the crossroads of North and Central America. From its bustling cities to its quiet countryside, Mexico is a country that is as diverse as it is captivating. Embarking on a journey through Mexico is like stepping into a time machine. The country boasts an illustrious history that dates back thousands of years, to the time of ancient civilizations such as the Mayans and Aztecs. Their impressive pyramids and temples still dot the Mexican landscape, standing as testament to their advanced cultures and the country's rich heritage. But Mexico isn't just about the past. It's a country that embraces the new while honoring its history. In its cities, you'll find a blend of traditional and modern architecture, with centuries-old cathedrals standing side by side with sleek skyscrapers. This harmonious blend of old and new extends to Mexican society as well, with traditions and customs from the past coexisting with contemporary life. Mexicans are known for their warmth and hospitality. They are a people who love to celebrate, whether it's a national holiday, a local fiesta, or just the simple pleasures of everyday life. This joie de vivre is reflected in their music, their dance, and most notably, their food, which is a delicious blend of indigenous and foreign influences. From its towering mountains and lush rainforests to its sun-kissed beaches and arid deserts, Mexico's landscapes are as diverse as its people. Each region boasts its own unique characteristics, painting a picture of a country that is rich in biodiversity and natural beauty. So, are you ready to explore this fascinating country with us? To learn about its history, its culture, its people, and its landscapes? To taste its food, hear its music, and experience the warmth of its people? Then buckle up, because this journey promises to be an unforgettable one. Dive in with us as we take you on an exciting journey through the heart of Mexico. Mexico's history is as vibrant as its culture, dating back to ancient civilizations. Picture this. Over 3,000 years ago, the sophisticated Mayans and Aztecs were already laying the foundations of a rich culture. The Mayans, known for their advanced writing systems and astronomical observations, built grand cities like Chichen Itza. Meanwhile, the Aztecs, famed for their architectural prowess, established the impressive city of Tenochtitlan, right where Mexico City stands today. In the early 16th century, a new chapter began with the arrival of Spanish conquistadors. Led by Hernán Cortés, they sought gold and glory. Despite fierce resistance, the Aztec Empire fell. This marked the start of 300 years of Spanish rule, shaping Mexico with European influences in language, religion, and more. The year 1710 saw the birth of Miguel Hidalgo y Costilla, who would later spark the flame of Mexican independence. On September 16, 1810, Hidalgo rang the bells of his church in Dolores, calling for rebellion against Spanish rule. This event, known as the Cry of Dolores, marked the beginning of Mexico's War of Independence. After a decade-long struggle, Mexico finally achieved independence in 1821. The 19th and 20th centuries were periods of political and social turbulence, with revolutions, reforms, and changes in government. Yet, through all these upheavals, the spirit of the Mexican people remained unbroken. Their resilience and determination have been instrumental in shaping the Mexico we know today, a nation proud of its rich heritage and ready to face the future. From the grandeur of ancient civilizations to the struggle for independence, and through periods of change and development, Mexico's history is a colorful tapestry woven with threads of courage, resilience, and cultural richness. It's a story that continues to unfold, adding new layers to the country's vibrant identity with each passing day. This rich history has shaped Mexico into the captivating country it is today. As we delve deeper into the heart of Mexico, we'll discover how this past continues to influence its present, from its diverse geography to its vibrant culture, mouth-watering cuisine, and growing economy. So stick around as we continue our journey through this fascinating land. From sun-kissed beaches to towering mountains, Mexico's geography is as diverse as it is stunning. Let's embark on a journey to explore the vast expanses of this vibrant land. Mexico, a country blessed with geography as diverse as its culture, is a tapestry of varied landscapes that seem to unfold as you traverse its length and breadth. To the north, you'll find the arid deserts of Sonora and Chihuahua, where the cacti stand tall under the scorching sun, a testament to the resilience of life even in the harshest conditions. These deserts are home to a variety of unique flora and fauna, from the resilient prickly pear cactus to the elusive desert tortoise, each adapted to thrive in this harsh yet beautiful environment. In stark contrast to these arid expanses, the Sierra Madre Range stretches across the country, its towering peaks kissed by the clouds. These mountains, split into three major ranges, eastern, western, and southern, are a haven for adventurers and nature lovers alike. They cradle a variety of ecosystems, from pine oak forests to tropical rainforests, each teeming with life. And then, there are the beaches. Oh, the beaches! Mexico boasts more than 6,000 miles of coastline, from the tranquil turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea to the mighty waves of the Pacific Ocean. Each beach, whether it's the party hub of Cancun or the serene beauty of Tulum, has a unique charm that beckons travelers from around the world. Last but not least, the rainforests of Mexico are a treasure trove of biodiversity. The Lacandan jungle, for instance, is one of the last remaining rainforests in North America, home to a staggering number of species, including jaguars, howler monkeys, and vibrant toucans. A walk through these lush green canopies is like stepping into another world, where nature reigns supreme. Mexico's diverse landscapes offer something for every kind of traveler. Whether you're a beach bum, a mountain enthusiast, a desert wanderer, or a rainforest explorer, you're sure to find a corner of Mexico that feels like it was made just for you. The heart of Mexico lies in its vibrant culture and friendly people. The country pulsates with a rhythm all its own, an infectious beat that's echoed in its music, dance, festivals, and art. The Mexican culture is a rich blend of indigenous traditions and Spanish influences, creating a unique cultural tapestry that is both fascinating and captivating. Let's start with the music. From the soulful strains of mariachi, the rhythmic beats of banda, to the lively tunes of norteño, Mexican music is as diverse as it is passionate. It's a form of expression, a celebration of life, and an integral part of every festival and gathering. Mexican dance, too, is a sight to behold. Whether it's the elegant movements of the ballet folklorico, the vigorous steps of the Yarabe tapatio, or the graceful twirls of the danza de los voladores, each dance tells a story, a narrative of Mexico's rich history and diverse regions. Speaking of festivals, Mexico's calendar is chock full of them. From the vibrant colors of the Day of the Dead, the solemn processions of Semana Santa, to the lively celebrations of Cinco de Mayo, each festival is a riot of color, music, dance, and food, reflecting the country's joie de vivre and deep-rooted traditions. And let's not forget the art. Mexico has a long and illustrious history of creating beautiful and meaningful art. From the intricate designs of the ancient Mayans and Aztecs to the bold colors and social commentary of Frida Kahlo and Diego Rivera, Mexican art is a visual feast that speaks volumes about the country's past and present. But what truly sets Mexico apart is its people. Warm, friendly, and hospitable, Mexicans are known for their strong sense of community and family. They welcome visitors with open arms and treat them like old friends, making anyone feel right at home. The Mexican culture is a colorful tapestry that continues to enchant visitors from around the world. It's a culture that embraces its past while looking forward to the future, a culture that's as vibrant and diverse as the country itself. One cannot talk about Mexico without mentioning its mouth-watering cuisine. A culinary adventure in Mexico is like a vibrant dance of flavors, an orchestra of ingredients playing in perfect harmony. It's a journey through time, telling stories of ancient civilizations, colonial influences, and modern innovation. One bite, and you're transported into a world of rich traditions and cultural heritage. Let's begin with the humble taco, an iconic symbol of Mexican gastronomy. A soft tortilla filled with a variety of ingredients, from seasoned meats to fresh seafood, complemented by a rainbow of salsas. Each region has its own special twist on the classic taco, making it a versatile and beloved dish across the country. Next, we have enchiladas, a dish that perfectly illustrates the fusion of cultures in Mexican cuisine. Enchiladas are tortillas rolled around a filling and covered with chili pepper sauce. They can be filled with a variety of ingredients, including meats, cheese, beans, or even potatoes. This dish showcases the influence of Spanish cuisine while retaining its indigenous roots. And of course, we cannot forget about chiles en nogada. This dish is a true celebration of Mexico's independence, with its colors mirroring the Mexican flag. It consists of a poblano chili filled with a mixture of meat and dried fruit, topped with a creamy walnut sauce and sprinkled with pomegranate seeds. Each bite is a burst of contrasting flavors and textures, capturing the spirit and complexity of Mexican cuisine. Food plays a pivotal role in Mexican culture. It's not just about nourishment, but also about community, celebration, and identity. From the bustling markets with their fresh produce and aromatic spices, to the family gatherings around a table laden with food, every meal is a celebration of life, a testament to the love and care that goes into preparing each dish. Mexican cuisine is a delicious journey through its history and culture. It's a symphony of flavors that tells stories of the past, celebrates the present, and looks forward to the future. So, as you explore Mexico, remember to also explore its cuisine, for it is through food that we truly understand a culture. Over the years, Mexico has shown significant economic growth. This growth can be attributed to a multitude of factors, but primarily, it's the result of the hard work of the Mexican people and the country's strategic geographical location. Mexico's economy, the 15th largest in the world, is a mixed economy, blending public and private enterprises. This diverse economic structure has allowed Mexico to become a powerhouse in several key industries. Tourism, for instance, is a significant contributor to Mexico's economy. With its breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, Mexico attracts millions of visitors every year. The tourism industry has created countless jobs and brought significant foreign exchange into the country, boosting its economy. Another major industry in Mexico is manufacturing. Mexico is one of the world's leading manufacturers of automobiles, electronics, and appliances. It's not uncommon to find products labeled "Made in Mexico" in stores around the globe. The country's manufacturing sector has benefited greatly from its proximity to the United States, its largest trading partner, and from its participation in the North American Free Trade Agreement. Oil is another key pillar of Mexico's economy. Mexico is among the top 20 oil-producing countries in the world, and the industry plays a crucial role in the nation's economy. The state-owned company, Pemex, is one of the largest oil companies globally, contributing significantly to the country's income. Additionally, Mexico's role in the global market cannot be understated. As one of the world's top 20 exporters, Mexico plays a crucial role in international trade. It's not just about the goods it exports, but also the services it provides, from IT to healthcare. Mexico's economy is not without its challenges, of course. Like all economies, it faces issues such as income inequality and environmental sustainability. However, with its resilient and hardworking people and its strategic economic policies, Mexico is well positioned to tackle these challenges head-on. Mexico's economy continues to thrive, making it a key player on the global stage. There's so much more to explore in Mexico, a country rich in history, culture, and beauty. We've journeyed through the vibrant tapestry of Mexico, a land that effortlessly blends the past and the present, the traditional and the modern, the familiar and the exotic. From the ancient ruins of the Mayan and Aztec civilizations to the bustling, colorful markets of Mexico City, Mexico's rich history is a treasure trove of stories waiting to be discovered. The diverse geography of this country is equally captivating. The rugged mountains, the sprawling deserts, the lush rainforests, the serene beaches, each landscape tells a different tale, each view more breathtaking than the last. It's a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. The heart of Mexico, however, beats in its people and their vibrant culture. The warm, welcoming locals, the lively festivals, the traditional dances, the soulful music. It's a cultural immersion that touches your soul and stays with you long after you've left. And who can forget the mouth-watering Mexican cuisine? From the spicy chilies to the succulent tacos, the refreshing margaritas to the divine chocolate, Mexican food is a culinary journey in itself, one that tantalizes your taste buds and leaves you craving for more. Finally, we've seen how Mexico's economy is growing, with its thriving industries, bustling markets, and dynamic workforce. It's a testament to the resilience and spirit of the Mexican people. But the true essence of Mexico can't be captured in a video. It needs to be experienced firsthand. It's the feeling of the warm sun on your skin as you lie on a beach in Cancun. It's the taste of a freshly made taco from a street vendor in Mexico City. It's the sound of mariachi music filling the air during a local festival. It's the sight of ancient ruins standing tall amidst the modern cityscape. So why not pack your bags and head off to Mexico? Dive into its rich history, immerse yourself in its diverse geography, savor its delicious cuisine, and engage with its vibrant culture. Experience the wonders of Mexico for yourself. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the Trip Capital channel. We're your passport to the world, bringing you engaging and informative content about fascinating destinations. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos, and you'll join a community of fellow travel enthusiasts. And if you enjoyed this journey through Mexico, why not embark on another adventure with us? Check out our previous video titled Exploring Brazil. It's another fascinating exploration of a vibrant country filled with beautiful landscapes, rich culture, and delicious food. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Mexico. Don't forget to subscribe to Trip Capital for more exciting travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.